Hi there, students. Commission. Commission. A verb and a noun, both uncountable and countable. Okay, this is a really polysemic word. It's got lots of different meanings. Firstly, I think of commission, the commission of an act, from the verb to commit, to do something. So the commission of this crime was a turning point in his life. The commission of this act was something that he regretted for many years. So the doing of something, you commit an act, the act of committing something. The commission of an act of injustice. Normally, you commit a commission. Commission is talking about a crime, is talking about an error. The commission of the error led to many other mistakes. A commission. This is a fee charged by someone. This is money for carrying out a transaction, a percentage. So if you get an estate agent, a real estate broker, to sell your house, he will charge, or they will charge, a commission. When you exchange money, very often there is a commission. Okay, so an amount of money, a percentage on a deal. You could have a group of people, a body that's been officially asked to carry out a particular thing, particularly an investigation into something. The company began a commission, or set up a commission to look at injustice in the workplace. The European Commission to look at immigration. An electoral commission to think about the future. So you have commissioners. These are people of this group who've been officially asked to do something. And then a commission. Something that you've been asked to do. For example, to commission here a piece of work. So the artist had got 3 new commissions. You've been the artist, particularly an artist is commissioned, verb, to create a piece of art. I have been commissioned to paint the whole family. So this is something you've been asked to do. You've been officially given the go-ahead, or the request to do something. But this is normally for a piece of art. You could have a statue was commissioned for the opening ceremony. I guess even a piece of music was commissioned, but this is where you ask an artist specifically to make a piece of art for you. It's a mission for somebody to carry out. Okay, so commission. To choose somebody to do a piece of work, to ask them to do it formally. The artist was commissioned to paint a portrait. The author was commissioned to write a book. A set of stamps were commissioned to as a commemorative issue. They commissioned a report into the débâcle. To commission as well, to give somebody the official authority to be an officer in the armed forces. So NCO, non-commissioned officer. A commission, or to commission in the army, means to make an officer. To make an officer, to make a lieutenant or a captain. To commission. So Yeah, my grandfather was a non-commissioned officer in the First World War, and he got his commission in the Second World War. Okay, so commission. A commission, a group of people who've been chosen to discover about a problem, to examine the reasons why a problem exists. A commission on poverty in the inner city. The government has set up a commission. A payment to somebody who sells goods, yeah, a percentage of the amount sold, a system that uses such payments. So I don't receive a regular wage. I'm only given 15% commission on each sale that I make. To commission, to request that an artist do a special piece of work. Yeah, the artist was commissioned to do this. The commission of a crime, the commission of an offence, to commit, to do. A military commission, the authority to be an officer in the army. Yeah, a commission. Okay, wow, what a lot of different meanings. Okay, so a commission, an instruction, a command, a group of people. An order, and various different things. Okay, I think I'm probably going to, let's see, formality. A commission to investigate this. 6 in formality. An artist was commissioned to do this. 6 in formality. The commission of an act. 6 in formality. Yeah, I think this commission is going to get a 6.5 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, commissio, send together, with, and misso, to send. So to send together, sent together. And that's the idea. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Commission.